Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner assembly for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 840,144 minus 00001, the Vulcan Hart 00 to 840,144 burner assembly is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart commercial cooking equipment. It is designed to replace the existing burner assembly in Vulcan Hart equipment and includes the burner, mounting, bracket, and pilot assembly. The burner is made of stainless steel and has a BTU rating of 75,000. The mounting bracket is made of aluminum and has 2 holes for mounting the burner to the equipment. The pilot assembly includes a thermocouple, pilot tube, and gas valve. This part is designed to provide reliable performance. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner assembly for Vulcan Hart part #00 to 840,144 fixes symptoms such as a malfunctioning burner, poor flame quality, and inadequate heat output. Here is how you install this part. Minus 00011. Begin by disconnecting the power to the Vulcan Hart. Range 2. Remove the grates and burner caps from the range. Top 3. Unscrew the screws that hold the burner assembly in place and remove it from the range top. 4. Place the new burner assembly in place and secure it with the screws that were removed earlier. 5. Connect the gas line to the new burner assembly, making sure that all connections are tight and secure. 6. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. 7. Replace the grates. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.